I'm Lexi Anderson.
LA Hanwanen.
We had to pick from electives in high school. Peer mentoring was one of the choices. Yeah, I didn't really know what it was when I started, but I did it for 4 years.
You definitely build a connection with them. It's fun to see, like, even when you're not in that class with them and just like around school, they'll come up to you. It's just a good bond.
Some of the kids I peer mentored like my freshman year, they still like know my name, and every time I see them, I say hi to them. So it's just like, you know, you made a difference to them when they still like care to remember you and like say hi.
A student that I peer mentored, she had graduated and I saw her out in public after, and she came up to me and she gave me the biggest hug, and so yeah, it just shows that you make an impact on their life.
Like you learn some of the lingo and stuff watching like the paras before you, like work with the kids, and then like just working one-on-one with them. Patience and understanding, and just like learning how to talk and work with people who are different from you.
I have friends who go to a different school who don't have this type of program, and I mean, it just teaches us all that we're all the same, and kids who don't have that type of program don't get to see that. It's very rewarding. I think it's a very good thing to just have the experience in itself.
It prepares you for like, because you're gonna see these types of people in your life no matter where you go, somewhere. And it just like teaches you like how to interact with them, and just like how, you know, it's a good just like learning experience. And sometimes you like, during your interactions with them, you almost like get emotional because you're just like so happy to like see them like doing well and just like being happy.